Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn about in second chapter in arithmetic progression. So the 11th question: if S1, S2, S3, etc. Sm are the sums of n terms of m APs, whose first terms are 1, 2, 3, m, etc. m up to m, and whose common difference are 1, 3, 5, etc. 2m minus 1 respectively, then show that S1 plus S2 plus S3 etc. plus Sm equal to 1 by 2 mn plus 1. So here what they are given, what hints is given, the first term fully is given one group, okay, in common difference fully given another group. So this is, if we take in first term here take common difference. So in first term 2, in common difference 3. So like this we have to take the last value is m, a value is m, d value is 2m minus 1, because this is first term a, the common difference d. So we can first AP, okay. So first arithmetic progression. So a value 1 taken from the first term, a equal to 1. So d equal to common difference d equal to 1. So substituting in Sn formula, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S1, because this is the first AP, so S1 equal to n by 2 2, a value is 1 plus n minus 1, d value is 1. So if it is multiplied by 1, this number we get n minus 1 only. So 2 minus 1, n plus 1. So S1 value is n by 2, n plus 1. So this is S1 value, okay, this S1 value. Next one, S2 value. So S2 value second AP. So here the a value, the first term a value is 2, the second number 2. Then common difference here take from the common difference, okay, 3, common difference 3. So S2 value, apply this formula only. S2 value n by 2 2, then a value 2 plus n minus 1, d value 3. So 2 2s are 4. If it is multiplied by 3, this n minus 1, 3n minus 3, 4 minus 3, 3n plus 1, 3n plus 1. So the like this we have to find all the terms in last term m, a value m, d value 2m minus 1. So substitute in same formula, Sm equal to, because this last term name is Sm, so Sm equal to n by 2, a value 2, a value m plus n minus 1 into d value 2m minus 1. If we multiply this 2 factor 2m n, then 2m minus 1 minus into 2m, this 2m is 2m, this 2mn, then this minus 1 multiply this minus 1. First of all we can take 2m in 2mn, then n minus n, okay, then 1n minus n, 2m minus 1 minus 2m, minus into minus plus 1, okay. Then cancel plus and minus value. So n by 2, 2m minus 1, take common value these two number. From this number we can take common value n. So 2m minus 1 plus 1. So this is Sm value. So S1 value, S2 value, etc. Sm value. So S1 plus S2 plus S3 etc. Sm value. So substitute this left hand side, okay, take this left hand side, S1 plus S2 plus X3 plus etc. Sm. So S1 value n by 2, n plus 1, S2 value n by 2, 3n plus 1 etc. Sm value n by 2, 2m minus 1, n plus 1. So here this n by 2, n by 2, n by 2, the each term having n by 2. So taken outside n by 2. The remainder value is n plus 1, 3n plus 1, 2m minus 1, m plus 1. But we can select the first term. So first term meaning the n, we can write n only plus 3n only etc. Like this we have to, in first term this is fully 2m minus 1 m. So 2m minus 1 n plus the remainder value 1 in last term also 1. So like this it is up to m terms. So we can write this fully simplify in m only, m So the here also taken n common value, n the remainder 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc 2m minus 1. So this is fully the sum of odd number formula. This formula is m square only. Okay, so this from 1 to 2m minus 1. Okay, this formula value is m square because here m no, so m square. If it is n meaning n square, h meaning h square, but here m is given, so this fully formula is m square. So substitute this place only m square plus m. So taken in m common value, so m, if it is take m outside, the remainder value mn plus 1. So n into m, okay, we can write 1 by 2 nm mn plus 1. So this is left hand side value. Okay, so the 12th question, find the sum a minus b divided by a plus b, 3a minus 2b divided by a plus b plus 5a minus 3b by a plus b plus etc 12 terms. So 12 terms. So in exercise, in first sum, up to sums, so up to 20 terms, up to 30 terms, like this only we have to use the formula here. Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So first of all we find a value and d value. So a value a minus b divided by a plus b, d value t2 minus t1. So this is t2, this is t1. So t2 minus t1. So t2 minus t1, t2 term 3a minus 2b divided by a plus b minus a minus b divided by a plus b. Here the LCM, we can take LCM, the denominator is the same only, so we can write one time in denominator part. So the numerator part 3a minus 2b, but minus is a common value here, so multiply inside, minus a, minus into minus plus b. So 3a minus a 2a minus 2b plus b minus b divided by a plus b. So this is a d value. So how many terms are given? 12 terms. Okay, so s12, so n value is 12, n s12 equal to 12 by 2 a value is a minus b divided by a plus b plus, so n value is 12 minus 1 2a minus b divided by a plus b. So again also here this plus is center part, two terms is here. So this is fully one term, so this is fully another term. So the two terms, the denominator part is same only, so we can write one time a plus b, but here 2a minus 2b, this 2 multiply inside. So here also 11 into 2 22a, 11 into b minus 11b. If it is simplify this one, 20a minus 13b by a plus b. So 6 by this a plus b taken outside, say a plus b to 24a minus 13b. Thank you student.